Exporting data from Qualtrics allows you to analyze survey responses offline or use the data in other applications. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to export your data. Log into Qualtrics. Go to Qualtrics and log in with your credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, locate the survey for which you want to export data and click on its name to open it. Access Data and Analysis. Click on the Data and Analysis tab at the top of the survey page. This section provides an overview of your survey responses. Export data. Click on the Export and Import button in the top right corner of the Data and Analysis page. Select Export Data from the drop-down menu. Choose Export Format. In the export options, choose your preferred format. CSV and Excel formats are commonly used for data analysis in spreadsheets. Configure export options. Select additional options if needed, such as including text responses or specific variables. Configure these settings based on your needs. Download file. Click Download to generate and save the file to your computer. The file will include all the survey responses based on your chosen format and settings.